Hey, what's up guys? And today we're working on this 1979 Yamaha. The piston rings actually went out on this bike, so I've ordered a whole new piston kit that we're going to be putting on the bike. The compression on this thing was just horrible and I couldn't even get it to start. But until those things come in the mail, I decided I might modify the looks of the bike. You can kind of see what I'm going to try to make it look like. This is what we started out with, and this is what it should look like by the end of this video. Alright, let's get started. Alright, so I went ahead and removed the fenders and the seat, and it's already, in my opinion, looking a lot cooler. I'll flash some images up on the screen of what I'm kind of trying to make this bike resemble. I'm probably going to put a cafe racer seat on it, lower the handlebars down, and adjust some other things on it to make it look more like a flat track bike other than a dirt bike. Alright guys, right here I got this little seat I just made. It's pretty simple how I made it. If you want me to make a video on how to build one of these, I can, just leave a comment. Basically what I did is I got a cardboard stencil and I placed it where I wanted my seat to go. I then cut it out and I traced that onto a piece of wood. I then used that same stencil and traced it onto a chunk of foam. Cut out the foam and the piece of wood, and then got some cloth and used some tacks and some staples and held it on there. I'm going to get some black vinyl, but I just thought this looks pretty good for now. Let's put it on the bike. Drop the seat on. Look at that, guys. That's what it looks like with the new seat on it. I really like the looks of it. Alright guys, here's an idea I just thought of. I was wondering what it would look like if I put a piece of tin right here to cover this hole. So I got some cardboard. I'm going to trace it out, cut it out, and get an idea of what it would look like. It's kind of cool looking. I think I might cut it out with a little bit of tin and see what it looks like. Alright, got this piece of steel cut out. Alright, that's kind of cool looking. And if I painted it black, it'd look even better.